In an earlier video, we showed you how to create and share a file in OneDrive. That is great for when you have a one-time share with a group of people. But there may be times when you want to share multiple things with a group, maybe a whole class. In that case, it would make more sense for you to share a folder with them. Then, anything that you create inside the folder is automatically shared with those same people without you having to go through that process each time. It's simple to do that. First, we're going to, as you can see, I'm in Office 365 already. I'm going to click on my app launcher in the upper left hand corner here, and I'm going to go to OneDrive. You can see all of my things that are here. I also have my new button. I'm going to create a new folder, so I'm going to click new and then new folder this time, and it's going to ask me to name the folder. If I know that I'm going to do this right away, I can invite people automatically here, but I'm just going to create it for this moment. And now I'm going to go find that folder to show you how you can do it and how to share a folder that already exists. You can see my test folder is here. I am going to come and click on these the ellipses here, and there's a share button. When I click on share, it's telling me to invite people. So this is where, again, I can start typing in people within our district. They should show up. I'll do one more. I can put in a personal message here. This is a test folder. And then when I click on the share button, it will automatically send them an email. They will receive and they will know that there is a folder that is shared with them. Again, there is a shared with me section on the left hand side here. If they click there, that will also show them that the folder that I just shared is there. But remember, the shared with me section are only for files and folders that you have not created. Others have created and have chosen to share with you.